So we have here the AT4040 by Audio-Technica. Just a quick unboxing video for you guys. Also a sound test. So currently I'm speaking on the microphone. We have the bubble wrap. I'm not sure what that is. If anyone knows, you can leave a comment. But that came in the box as well. It's like a soft fabric, probably a cover, I think. This box, that would be the shock mount. So to me this feels very robust, quite heavy. Not heavy, but it's feels durable. I usually check for durability, and that's the hinge. It's pretty strong. And we have the microphone. So they gave us in a box this time, not a pouch. And that's the mic, the AT4040. I like the casing. As you can see, it comes with a low cut and a pad, so if you want to turn down the gain a bit, low cut if you want to filter the low frequencies. And as you guys can see, it's a used microphone, but it was barely used, so I got a good price on it. And durability test.